You probably go to the gym to train your body, but do you train your skin? I'm at Thermage Vancouver with nurse Lisa, and today we'll talk about Thermage Lift, one of the top treatments for anti-aging. Lisa, what does it do, Thermage?
Well, as we age, the skin stops producing collagen. So the skin becomes loose and saggy and can start to wrinkle. The Thermage is really great because it helps to penetrate to the middle layer of the skin, and it stimulates the collagen and restructures the existing collagen, so it tightens everything up and makes it nice and firm.
Good, and which area can we treat? Is it like just face, or we can do body and face?
We can treat the face. We do a lot of treatments around the eyes to help fix the hooding around the eyes, lift the eyebrows up a little bit, make the eyes look a little bit more rested and more awake. We work through the mid-face to try to lift the cheeks a little bit, soften the lines around the mouth. We treat the jawline to help with the jowls that everybody struggles with and define the jawline. We also treat the neck and stomach for the crepey skin after having babies.
Oh, yes.
We do the thighs. It helps with the appearance of cellulite, and we can treat that trouble spot right on top of the knee where the skin can get a little bit lax and wrinkly.
Here.
Yes.
You know, with a lot of sun through the years, we get a bit creepy.
Yes.
And technically, Lisa, how does it work?
Okay, so the patient comes in, we'll clean the face, apply a temporary grid, and we'll start by doing pulses on the skin to try to heat up the middle layer of the dermis to stimulate some of that collagen production.
Okay.
We like to focus and do vectors in some of the tremble spots, so lifting the brow, lifting the mid-face, trying to soften some of the smile lines and redefine the jawline.
So with that radio frequency, you're gonna give some direction.
That's right. We can impart a little bit of a lift to the skin and a tightening effect.
Wow. And how often should I do it?
Well, ideally, if you could, you do it once a year, and then you really maintain that collagen production and keep the skin nice and thick.
Good. And I'm around like turning 40, so I started myself 10 years ago, once a year. So would you suggest that, like in early 30s, starting to build up collagen?
Yeah, well, we have some patients in their late 30s that are doing treatments already. They're trying to prevent the signs of aging, and they're trying to keep their collagen levels high. Many of our patients are in their 40s and 50s, and we even have a group of patients that are in their 60s, and these ladies are people that have taken really good care of their skin throughout their lives, eaten well, stayed out of the sun, and they're doing Thermage now and keeping up with maintenance because they're noticing that they really get a nice thickening effect and they get a really natural, radiant look well into their 60s.
So it really slows down the aging process.
Exactly.
Thank you very much, Lisa. Thermage is one of the most trendy skin tightening treatments in North America. It is safe, it is quick and efficient. It's a great solution to defy time without surgery.